Trap Fam. Welcome to day 2 of our Florida vlogs and expedition and vacation, whatever you want to call it. We just checked out of our hotel. We got to go to our next hotel, but of course, before we do that, my husband researched where Bass Pro Shop was. And so we're at Bass Pro Shop, but outside they have a shark that you can get in, so the kids are gonna do that. He said act like it's eating you. Ah! And Alyssa's too cool for the shark. She said, I'm not getting inside. To like check out this whole area. There's like a little marina. Oh, careful babe, there's a marina and stuff next to here, and Samantha found a cat at Bass Pro Shop. Of all the places she could find a cat, and it's friendly. It's just no, you're not taking the cat, but you can pet the cat. It's very friendly. Oh, it's gonna let her pick it up. Oh my gosh, Samantha the animal whisperer. Hi kitty. Okay, so us Californians are super impressed. We're driving down the road and we see iguanas just out in this open grass area next to the freeway, and we had to stop because yeah, they're just wild and we didn't know. I couldn't capture the view coming in, but we have made it to South Beach, Miami. We're headed to our hotel. We're actually staying in that hotel over there, which is the sister property for this. But we got a villa room with a balcony, so we're staying over there, but this is our hotel. My troopers are over there just hanging out in the shade. It's pretty warm out here, but they're hanging out in the shade while I film. We made it to our room in South Beach, Miami. Ooh, watch your step.
Yeah, don't fall off the balcony.
Oh my gosh, there's a step, you gotta step out. We have arrived in South Beach. We don't have the greatest view from the little balcony, but it's not bad, huh? At least it has a little balcony for you to smoke.
Yeah.
A little corridor down there.
Cool.
What?
You want to stay right there? I'm going to jump up and down right here.
No, don't.
Watch how much this balcony moves. Watch. Just kidding.
Oh my gosh, you're so mean. Alright, we're about to experience Cuban food for the first time. Not those are drinks. Oh, that's more drinks.
That's just the drinks menu.
This is the food. None of us have ever had Cuban food, and this place is supposed to be, it's right around the corner from our hotel, but it's supposed to be top 10 for Cuban food in Miami. So Whoa. Yeah, we're gonna share it. Thank you. Oh my goodness. They got these massive Cuban sandwiches. Thank you. Oh, and beans. Awesome. Oh wow, that's a lot of food. Oh, I hope that this tastes as amazing as it looks and smells. So we just got done eating at that restaurant, and which is literally right around the corner from our hotel. Our hotel is right around that corner. And then right over here is the entrance to the beach. So our hotel is half a block from the beach, but we did not really come prepared to go to the beach. Oh my gosh, look, there's a coconut on the ground. We're from California. We don't have coconuts just falling on the grass in California. That's crazy. I wonder if you could go over and just eat that. Look up there. It's gonna crack you over the head. It's so pretty here. The weather's so beautiful. It's like 81 degrees today. Absolutely gorgeous. Coming up to the beach, and there's literally like carpets laid out so you can walk up here and not get sand in your shoes. I said that's how you know you're at the rich people's beach, because there's carpet on the beach. We've never been to the beach on the East Coast. And look at how clean the sand is. Does not look like California beaches. Okay, so we came back up to the hotel after going to the beach and like eating and stuff. And Alyssa's best friend Casey, who we're supposed to surprise, is totally on to her. Because this one posted that we're in Miami and didn't realize that she had her as a friend. So we had to do some sneaky business right now, and we had Alyssa put on 2 hoodies. And my cousin actually just went to Rockefeller Center the other day, so I had her send me the pictures from Rockefeller Center with the Christmas tree in there so that we could post those on my Instagram story to cover things up. Being sneaky is very hard. Yeah, and so now Alyssa has to tell her that, because her friend thinks we're going to New York. She doesn't know we're going to surprise her. This vlog is brought to you by M&M's. M&M's, sponsor me. All right, so now we're going to go, now that we got the sneaky business out of the way, we're going to go on a little walk. Samantha wants to go shopping, of course, so.
Not me.
Yes, we're all going on a family walk now that the temperature's nice outside. Samantha saw round 2 when we were coming in to our hotel, so of course she had to come down here. A little hypebeast self. Well, we came to Miami and she bought something. But now that it's nighttime, it's all lit up. It's like lighting up inside. I guess we're on a little date. The kids went to the room and the hotel gave us drinks, so I guess we're having a little date night. Ready? Cheers, babe.
My first drink in what? Going on 2 years?
2 years? No, about a year and a couple months, yeah. All right, so Samantha went to round 2 in Miami and purchased something, and so she's gonna unbox it for you guys. Alyssa's over there watching Mr. Beast. She's tired. She has jet lag really bad. So I thought they would at least give you like a round 2 bag, but no, they didn't. I'm not showing you the tags. Go ahead. All right.
I've been trying to get these shoes. I've wanted these shoes for way over like a year and a half, over 2 years. When did they come out? Let me check that real quick. Because I know I've been wanting them for more than like
They're
a year.
reflective. What are they even called? Do you know?
They're Wave Runners. Yeah.
And they're brand new with the box. So yeah. Okay. So are you gonna like take it out of the box and like show us the shoe, or?
Yeah, I can. Well, should I try them on?
You can put it on it. Oh, be careful! There's a price tag underneath
Oh.
there that shows how much you paid for them. So, mind you,
that?
everybody's gonna say, "Oh, ballers! You guys are rich!" All these things, but Samantha actually worked
I
and
paid for them.
she paid
I
for
bought
them. I did not buy them. She bought them with her own money.
Just take that price
And she actually got Christmas money from her grandmother and her aunt. So she used part of her Christmas money along with her own wages to purchase these. So her investment, she's been investing.
my money.
She's been investing in shoes lately. And so she really wanted these. And they had them at round 2. And so she went for it. All right, you want to show us what they look like on?
Yeah.
She's got to fix her pants. Reveal.
Don't mind how they sound. Don't mind the pants.
She's in her pajamas. We're just chilling now back at the hotel, but she's wanted these forever, and she finally got them. So